Welcome back, YouTube. Today we're going to be tacking a pipe in the 2G position. We're going to do 4 tacks: 12, 3, 6, and 9. We're going to be working quarter turns the whole way through. I'm going to show you guys the way of re-beveling after you do your tack. If you haven't already, hit that like, smash that subscribe. It really means a lot to me. Thank you. Always give it a nice fat juicy tap. Alright, from here I'm going to take off the filler rod so that way it doesn't get stuck. It's gotten stuck on me before. If you need to, bang it a little bit, that way it straightens out. Looks pretty even to me now. Okay, now that we got that down, we go ahead and feather our tack. I'm going to show you guys the way of re-beveling after you do your tack. Little X motion, and you'll do a really nice bevel. Check it out. Now we're ready to weld. You don't want to keep the rod straight. You want to keep it at a 15-degree angle. You don't want to push it too hard, but push just enough to feel that you are penetrating. Don't forget to listen to the gurgle. Start in the middle of my tack, heat it up, and then start going to my right. It's really important for you to remember how you're standing. Remember your movement abilities, and don't forget to keep that rod at a 15-degree angle, slightly pressing in just so you know that you're penetrating. Listen to the gurgle. Okay, since I finished my first quarter turn, now I'm gonna go and strike on where I previously tacked. Sometimes I grind it. I didn't grind it this time to feather it out, but I usually do. Remember, start at the middle of your tack and heat it up, and then all you do is when you finish doing quarter turns, just simply readjust your pipe. If you haven't already, hit that like, smash that subscribe. It really means a lot to me. Thank you.